what this festival really encompasses is that anyone can be an artist. You know, anyone can pick up a paintbrush, and you know, we've got people that have probably been doing this for many, many years and are exceptional at it, and we've got people that are just having a go, which is what today is all about.
Oh, I think, you know, we were down here for the weekend. We saw that the Plein Air Art Festival was on and decided to come over and have a look. What a great place for them to be painting. I mean, the view is amazing. So yeah, love it.
The way it all came together was fantastic. The people, you know, lots of people, very friendly, very enthusiastic. And it was a great experience. I totally enjoyed it.
We have a holiday house in Mandurah, and I love painting. It's very relaxing, so I decided to come down.
It was in the local newspaper, and there were brochures put out, and it was on the website, so there's no reason why you wouldn't know about it.
Oh, we've got lots of plans and lots of ideas, and I mean, the fact that we've had so much support from all the artists and the collectors. We had people buying paintings yesterday as well, which, you know, that's so important. And yeah, the fact that the support's there, we'll definitely be carrying it on, I imagine. That's the plan.
It's nice to be with like-minded people that look at the water there and go, oh, look at that little dip in the light.
Is good for tourism. Keep the money locally here for local business, and that is one of the highlights of the event is how to support and connect with people, culture and environment. Yeah.
I really enjoyed coming down again this year, and I just love being able to meet up with all these other artists and seeing how everyone has their own styles and mediums and the way they complete their paintings. It's really inspiring to me.
You think this is obviously second year, do you think we should continue?
Oh yeah, definitely, yes, because once we can get free travel again, we will get more overseas artists coming in, as well as the eastern states. Last year we had a few eastern states people came, so I presume all that once we're open up again, all those people will come again. So yeah, I think it'll go on.
So the exciting thing today was that with the beautiful setting, and I look across and the lady says, I know you, and it turns out that our sons, the great mates, this is the mum and I'm the mum, and we haven't seen each other for 12 years.
Plein air, it brings people
Plein
together.
air.